Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Start copying the part without replacement just till example 1. Done copying till example 1?
Yep.
Okay. Emily, what about you?
Yeah.
Okay. So any idea what's the difference between with replacement and without? What's the difference? Verbally in layman terms, what do you understand by the word with replacement and without replacement? What am I doing? I'm picking up things from a bag. So if I'm not replacing the items back in the bag, either it be pencils or it will be balls, then what would happen? My denominator would reduce.
Yes, it will reduce.
So if I talk about example 1, which has 2 pencils and 4 pens, here are my pencils, here are my pens. So in the first event, it would be 2 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. Any problem till here?
No.
But in the second part, for pencils and pens, it will be 1 over 5 and 4 over 5. Yes or no? Emily and Afrina, is there any problem?
No. No.
And in this case, it would be 2 over 5 and 3 over 5. Can you see? One pen was taken out over here, so I made it 3. And one pencil was taken out over here, so I made it 1. Any problem in this part?
No.
No.
Both of you are clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Without attempting parts A, B, C, can you just draw that tree diagram and tell me? Please, I would say do not attempt any of the question. Just write down the practice question in your notebook, draw a tree diagram and let me know. Okay? Afrina, don't be in hurry. Just draw the tree diagram and let me know. Emily, same goes for
Okay.
you. Girls, are you done?
No, miss. Still doing it.
Okay.
Done, miss.
Let's wait for Emily. I'll stop share my screen. Till then, I'll draw the tree diagram and then we'll check. Okay? Emily, are you done?
1 second, miss.
Okay. Efrina, can you please share your tree diagram on WhatsApp?
Okay, miss.
Emily, are you done?
Yes, so I'm just gonna get my phone so I can take a picture.
No, don't take a picture. It's fine. I'm sharing my screen. Just compare it with my diagram, okay?
Okay.
Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Please check your tree diagram, and if it's correct, I would like you to proceed with the questions.
Miss, if it is and we plus and if it's or we multiply, right?
No. If it's and, you multiply. If it's or, you add.
Okay. Done, miss.
Okay. Are you getting the same answers as mine?
Let me check.
I've written the answers in green.
I did not simplify number 2. I kept it as 9 over 12.
9 over 12. Okay. It's better to simplify your answers.
Okay, miss. I don't know about C. I wrote it as 2 by 11.
Okay. I'll explain if there are any issues. Let's just wait for Emily and then we'll proceed. Emily, are you done?
Almost.
Afrina, what's your answer for part C?
2 by 11.
Perfect.
I got all right.
Yep. Good job. And by this question, I think we are officially done with this chapter. You guys want me to give you a few practice questions, or you guys want to move ahead?
Move ahead.
Both of you? Because if I'm
Yeah.
pausing the practice questions right now, I might be giving them in the first week of Ramadan.
Miss, I guess we can move on.
Okay.
Miss, but then
And
like in probabilities, in my curriculum we have to find it through the graphs too.
can you show me that from your book?
I don't know where it is in my book, but I can show you my papers.
Okay. Send it on WhatsApp.
Miss, I can't find it now. I'll send it to you later.
It's okay. It's okay. Whenever you are able to find it out, no worries. And I want you both to personally message me and tell me the chapters that you guys are willing to cover first, so that whatever the common chapter is, I'll go with that.
Okay, Miss.
Emily, understood?
Yeah. Miss, how do you just see?
Okay. Now, what does part C says?
One ball is blue and the other one is green.
So, do I say that the first one is blue or the first one is green?
Yeah. Huh?
No.
Miss,
I
what?
like you know that one ball is green and one ball is blue, but you're not sure the first one is blue or the first one is green. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So there are two possibilities. Either it would be blue or green, blue and green, or it would be green and blue. So what I'll do is I'll do 3 upon 12 multiplied by 4 upon 11 plus 4 upon 12 multiplied by 3 upon 11. Understood?
Yeah.
And then I'll simplify it. So I'll get 1 over 11, which makes it 2 over 11. Any problem in this part?
No.
Okay, so I am waiting for both of you to message me the list of chapters that you are interested in, and then we can decide what to proceed with.
Okay, Miss. Right now.
Yep.
Miss, so just give me a minute. I'll just finish this question.
Sure, sure. Trina, are you texting?
Yep, miss. I texted you the chapters.
Hmm. I sent you that question solved on board with the recurring decimal thing.
Miss, but like for us, we have to use like algebra, like 10x and let x be this much, and then we
Do
multiply
you
and
have a sample question done for that?
yes, miss, I can send you.
Please.
Um, Here you go.
Oh, okay. We can go for functions if Emily says so. Emily, you want us to start with functions?
Okay. Miss, after that, can we do either vectors or bearings?
Sure, we can do that. Vector is a different thing and bearing is a different thing, or
Yeah.
is it the same thing in your chapbook?
For me,
Because
it's
I have.
the same thing.
Oh, okay, yeah, same. So let's begin with functions and then we'll do vectors and bearings. In case if I forget, you guys please feel free to remind me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what are functions? You have done, both of you have done this chapter in school?
Yeah,
Then I don't want such kind of silence.
for the functions, if it is inside the bracket, we opposite the like whether it's added or subtracted to the x value,
Mm-hmm.
and if it's out
Okay.
now,
But what is a function? If I ask you to define a function, what would you say?
no, yeah, I don't have the concept of it.
Okay. Emily, what about you?
Miss, me also.
And you both have done this chapter in school around when? This year or previous year?
I think previous year for me.
Last year.
Okay. Let me find out a text definition for you both. Then we can begin. It's like a set of values. For one value of y, you have a specific set of values for x, no? Remember? Like it shows you the relationship. I remember it is something that shows you relationship between x and y or any of the two variables. That's what I remember. Oh, where are my notes? Oh, here they are. So function, see, it says the same thing. It is the relationship between two variables. Let me write down the definition for you. I don't like yellow. It's between you know the function. If you know value of one of the variable, you are able to find out the value of another variable, right? Let's say if I'm giving you an example of 5x minus 2, y is equals to 5x minus 2. Now, if I know that if y is equals to 10, am I able to find x?
Yeah.
So this is what a function is. And do you, by any chance, do you remember or do you know the three types of functions? Have you heard of these terms? One-to-one, many-to-one?
No.
No.
Maybe it is there in your book with some other name, but let's see. The three types of functions. Number one is one-to-one function. Number two is many-to-one function. And number three is one-to-many function. Now, by each of these, I mean that for one image, the function is said to be, if each object has one image, you say that it's a one-to-one function. If more than one object have one singular image, it is said to be many-to-one function. In theory terms, in textual terms, you might feel that this is a vague definition, but as we'll solve the questions, you might be able to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if I say that fx is equals to 5x minus 2, is this a function? Find f2. What does this mean? That in place of x, you'll substitute 2, which makes it 8. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Find out f into minus 1. What's the answer?
Fx minus 1.
Hmm. What's the solution?
We will
5
make
into minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2 makes minus 7. Any problem till here?
no.
No.
Okay. Can you attempt this and this? Can you both try these parts? Girls, you want me to do it?
Yes, we can do it.
Done.
Is it 5 for the first one?
Yup. And what about the other one?
-2.
Yes, perfect. So you know how to solve these basic functions, yes?
Yes.
What about the functions with fractions? I am giving you one function with fraction. You can solve it right now and we'll discuss it in the next class, okay?